What's going on, guys? Welcome back to yet another video. As you guys can tell, I'm drenched, man. I'm sweating so bad. And here we are, boys. This is our own new shop space. As you guys know before, you know, I used to have my own shop. I've had two of them already, but moving into the apartment complex, you know, you guys have saw the garages and all the videos, and I actually had like 3 garages there, which is pretty insane. So now, man, we finally copped a house, and I wanted to keep my house private, and the parking over there is kind of subpar. So you guys know I have like 3 cars already now. So got this little shop space here. As you guys saw in the beginning of the video, I did paint the walls. I went for like a Nardo gray, and this thing turned out a little bit more bluish than gray. I'm not sure if the camera is picking it up, but the shop space is 25 by 25. 1 big door, 1 small door, as you guys can see. Y'all remember I did that Harbor Freight work light, and I told you guys when I get my shop I'm doing these. I got a whole package of these things, and I just got them put up because this fluorescent already went out. This one's all like alright, it's not that good, but this one is a natural daylight color. This is more blue, so we're probably just gonna hang these up. 1 right there, 1 right there, and then maybe 1 in the middle, maybe 2 right here, 1, 2. I was gonna hardwire them, but I'm not sure how long I'm gonna stay here. I'm planning on at least a couple years. That's why I was thinking about hardwiring them, but I'm just gonna connect them 4 because those are linkable. You can link 4 of them at a time, and then I got a plug over there where I'll just run an extension cord, connect those in. So you guys will be seeing that in the next video. But yeah, man, the walls were horrible. They were messed up really bad. I'll post up some before and after pictures, and now they look really good. Y'all let me know. And this pole was all black and rusty and everything, and I just put the same coat of paint on it. Looks good. Let me know if I should paint this wall right here. It's wood, and they did put a coat of white paint on it. Let me know. What do y'all think? Should I do the same color on the walls? Should I leave it white, clean like that? Should I paint it black? What do you guys think? But as far as the walls, the way they turned out, man, they look awesome. I thought about coating the floor, but this floor has seen better days. You know, there's cracks, big bumps right here. Like you can see, it's grabbing my foot. And to do a whole floor like that, it's gonna cost some money. Like I said, this isn't mine, so I already have at least a couple $100 wrapped up just in paint, and you know, myself labor wise. So I don't really want to put any more money into it. We're gonna hang up a bunch of flags and everything right here. You guys know the drill. Do my light setup, because you know lighting is very important. And one of the main reasons for doing the wall, guys, is because I want you guys to have something nice to look at, you know, with the cars in the back. And I'm thinking my truck's gonna be right here, my Mustang's gonna be over there, and then the daily Maximo, which I've been taking it to work, that one's gonna stay at the house. So Mustang, truck, all of the banners and everything right here, toolboxes, nitrous setup, and then my deep freezer. And then I'm probably gonna look for a refrigerator because I only have a deep freezer, so I'll probably put a refrigerator in here also. And something I'm really excited about is that this thing has water right here. So I'm thinking about buying a little sink from Home Depot, one of those little cheap ones, putting it here. You know, that way whenever our hands get dirty, whatever, we can wash our hands here. And yeah, man, there's an outlet here, a 220 here, 4 more outlets there, and I think that is all. I think there's only 2, 4, 5, 6. There's 6 outlets total. And this is the light switch here. Like I said, man, the fluorescents were working the other side, and then it went out. So that's strictly from the freaking Harbor Freight light. Yeah, man, that's awesome. Once it's hanging up there, one's hanging up here, shining down, and then 1 in the middle, I think it'll all come together. What's going on, guys? We're back, and we're on the phone cam. I actually remembered to bring the camera, but I don't have the freaking SD card in it, so phone cam's gonna have to do. But as you guys can tell, man, shop is coming together, and the Mustang is not here yet because new car trailer, man. Me and Pops just picked this up for a steal of a deal. As you guys can see, we need to wire up some new trailer lights, so I got some stuff going on here. It's the reason why the Mustang's not here yet, and I didn't make a Mustang's home video yet. I got a new trailer wiring harness and everything like that. But let's flip the camera around for you guys. But boom, check it out, man. This is, you know, it came to life. Like I told you guys, rocking these Harbor Freight 10,000 lumen shop lights, and you guys can tell how badass it looks. Look, check it out without it. This is what it looked like before with just the fluorescence. I gotta go all the way over there. I'll post up a picture of how it looked before. But this is how dark it is, man, without the lights on. Plug in the lights. Boom. Hell yeah, man. So just a little quick tour, man. I got all my jack stands, everything like that. All my boxes. I just picked up this fridge, you know, just so we can have some cold water in the fridge. Shout out, best sponsor in the world. This is kind of just temporarily set up. I'm gonna put my big box right here, my nitrous bottles. This is my nitrous station right here. Nitrous Express, baby. Handling motorsports. And this is all my, you know, distilled water, coolant, oils, spray, brake cleaner, everything like that. Cleaning supplies. Still got my American flag up here. Gotta hang that back up. And big tires. Nitrous Express flag, because this is where the Mustang's gonna be. So this is gonna be on the side of the Mustang. It's gonna look badass. But if you guys are wondering what lights they are, these are them. 10,000. I got 4 of them. You can link 4 of them. So I'm gonna try to show you guys without the light blinding you guys. See, that's the fluorescent right there. And so basically what I did was, that's one cord going from it, runs to a little extension cord, connects there. The extension cord runs from there to there. And then one more extension cord from there to that one. And then that one runs to a plug that goes down and boop, connects right there. You guys might be wondering why I didn't wire it to this fixture right here. It's because, man, I don't plan on being here that long, and I want to be able to take these with me. So here's the Boss manifold. I'll show you guys right now exactly what I got. Me and Pops had to, you know, get this. We'll show you guys in the next video, but we went and dropped off the Fox body in the valley, which you guys will see why. But I went and picked this up from my boy JD. JD 2 valve. You guys know he just went boosted, so I picked up his old setup. You guys might be wondering, why do I have an 18 manifold and why do I have a Boss over there? Well, I got 2 of them, man, because once we get the swap going, I don't want to be held up, and the Boss might not fit, and I don't want to cut my hood. I don't want to cut the $800 carbon fiber hood, and I don't want to add K-member spacers where my oil pan's going to be sitting down lower. So if it doesn't fit with the Boss, man, I'm going to have to suck it up and put this baby on there. But as you guys can tell, this one is ported. It's a ported 18. My boy got lockouts on there already. So in theory, this one should make more power than the Boss. I just like the way the Boss looks. And then he hooked me up with this badass carbon fiber cold air. Huge cold air. So that's going to be nice. We got some trailer stuff for the trailer. This is, I believe, a 20-foot Big Tex. This is what we're going to be using at the track and stuff like that. But this one will be parked somewhere else. Mustang parked here. Truck parked right here. And, yeah, man, I painted the walls. Show you guys what it looked like before. And, yeah, man, this thing, it's turning out really nice. So I hope you guys enjoyed it, man. I just wanted to give you guys a little update on my life and, you know, why I've kind of been missing uploads and where I've been and everything like that. It's just, you know, everything has been super crazy lately. I'm moving into a new house. I'm moving out of my apartment. You know, I've been moving everything into here. So, you know, you guys just stay with me, man. I promise you, you know, we're going to have a lot of fun builds here and a lot of, you know, good times in this shop right here. I did plan on moving in with a buddy, but now that you guys saw all my junk, I'm kind of glad I didn't because, let's be honest, man, I have a lot of crap. So, yeah, it's just me solo in here. And, you know, Pops will be in here every once in a while coming to check in. And, you know, but we're going to be filming a lot in here, man. That's why I kind of invested a little bit of money into these lights. You guys can tell it's 10:20 at night. And look how bright this thing is in here, man. Like, tons of light. It's freaking awesome. And I had them close together before, so I didn't have to run the extension cord. I had them closer where you could just plug them straight in. But there was no light at the front. And I plan on doing all my work up here anyways, like closer to the box. Not turned around like that, the car facing this way. But I was like, man, I want the whole shop engulfed in light. So That's the reason why I did that. But yeah, we'll see you guys on the next one, man. It's your boy 4.6Chris. I hope you guys enjoyed this one, man, and I hope you guys are stoked for the future. I'm really excited, man, for things to come. Just thank you guys, all my loyal supporters that have been with me, you know, for the longest time. I greatly appreciate you guys. See you guys next time. It's your boy 4.6Chris. Peace out, man.